Bit of a sandstorm here going on.
Per essere, allora si vede come la sabbia attraversa il wind, like that. The best experience in the Sahara.
Wow, it's getting really thick, eh?
Yeah, because we cannot recommend that. We cannot book it.
Right.
Yeah, we are lucky to have that now and to see how it is.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
It's it's your version of a snowstorm, eh? Desert version. Yeah. Looks like water running across the road or something. Wow. There's still a bit of a storm here. We're just getting our luggage put on top of the roof here. So we're going to be using a Land Rover now to go the rest of the distance here.